Hi T Squad, I hope you all are doing well. So it's been almost a month since I posted My Universe Army MV, and I also told you guys that I'll be posting behind the scenes vlog of that video. So this is the vlog, but as the footages were scattered everywhere, I thought that I'll sit down and take you through all the behind the scenes of that video. It took us almost a month to plan that video, so let's watch it together. Let's go. First thing that we did was we heard the song. We really loved it. It was like our type of song where we can go outdoor and shoot it in the nature, and yeah, that's what we thought, like that's what we both thought at the same time. So the first thing for that was to search for the location, and Akshay knew about this one location. He was like, let's go there. So on 2nd October we went to that location. So guys, we are on a location hunting now. Like we have literally listed down ऐसे spots जो हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार suitable for the dance video, and we are going to check out all those spots. Akshay is also with me, so let's see how it goes. What did you thought about the first location?
But you didn't show them the location. Why?
I know, I forgot to take it. रे देखो ये उसके आगे पानी था, but it's very populated. Like
it was okay. Not as I expected it to be. It is ruined by people.
Kachra and all na, like people need to be responsible for all this, but nahi hai.
When I used to come here, it was very clean and everything. There was space, lot of space.
Right.
Now it's not like that. So we will find some other location.
Yes. We didn't really like that place because there was no space to dance. There were a lot of wires, so we couldn't really use the drone, and there were a lot of people chilling and just it was like a picnic spot, I guess, and a lot of, you know, like it was dirty. The place was dirty, so we couldn't really shoot the video there. So the place was dirty because the people were literally throwing their garbage, like plastic bottles and everything. So please guys, let's stop doing that. If you see someone, just tell them, please don't do this. Let's keep our nature beautiful, so I can shoot more videos and everyone can enjoy that nature as well. So yeah, after this we were just searching for new places. So after this we started planning for outfit along with the search for the locations. I already had the color in my mind and also the pattern of the outfit. Of course the color was purple. Bora hai. Of course the color was purple, and the pattern I had in mind was like, you know, it should be flowy. So we went to a fabric shop on 9th October. So guys, we are going to a specific fabric store where they give, you know, any colored fabric to you, like you can buy it from them. And for this video we are planning to like create a costume from the scratch with a particular color we have in our mind. You will get to know that color very soon, so keep watching this vlog. We are going there now, so I'll see you when I get those fabrics. And we told them what color we wanted and what fabric we wanted. They gave us the fabric, and they dyed that fabric in that purple color, and then after 3 days we got that fabric. We went to the designer boutique, and I told her what kind of outfit I want, the pattern and the sleeves and the palazzo and everything, and she got it instantly, which was really cool. It's very difficult sometimes. I just got back जहाँ पे मैं costume सिलाने के लिए दिया वहाँ से, and I couldn't vlog there because I was stressed about कि I want to tell her all the instructions perfectly so that the costume comes out perfect. And fortunately she was a very nice and knowledgeable person who knew what I wanted, and like she was like कि हाँ मुझे समझ में आया आपको क्या चाहिए, and I'll get it done in 2-3 days. And I was so happy because we were stressed about, me and Akshay were stressed about कि जल्दी मिलेगा कि नहीं, because normally जहाँ पे भी मैं कपड़े सिलाने देने के लिए जाती हूँ, they are like नहीं मैम इतना टाइम लगेगा उतना टाइम लगेगा. But she was so nice. She was like कि हाँ, like you will have to get this costume in 2-3 days so that you can try, and then if there are any thing that needs to be fixed, she will do it. So I was like, thank you so much, and we are happy about it. So we will be going there after 2 days, right Akshay, to get the costume. So yeah,
I'll see you at that time. I'm excited about the costume.
So yeah, that's how we planned the outfit, and that's how we got it stitched and did everything for this one beautiful outfit that I wore for my Universe Army MD. So yes, when you give outfit for stitching and everything, there were it took 2-3 times to get the perfect size and everything, and after that I got my final outfit on 21st October. So guys, we got the outfit after like 2-3 sessions of adjustments, and this is the outfit. It's purple, and this is the neck piece also we got with it. Like, we purchased the neck piece differently, and yeah, I loved it so much. Now I am more excited for the video. I loved the fitting, I loved everything, and I was excited for the video. But there was one thing that we were still scared of, because it was 21st October and we still hadn't found a perfect location, the location that we wanted, where we can, do all these different shots at one go, and which will be nearby as well. So we were very scared, and I really wanted this location to be perfect, because all the other things were falling into place, like the plan, the song, the concept, the outfit. But for all that to happen properly, the location should be perfect. So we were very scared, but we kept searching for the best location. So meanwhile, when all of this was happening, I was also choreographing the dance for this video, and till this point I was almost happy with the choreography. Welcome to my choreography practice session. So I've already set the choreography, and I'm not totally happy with it. I want to make some small changes, and fingers crossed I'm happy with it before the day of the shoot. This happens most of the time, like till the day of the shoot I keep making changes to the choreography. So I hope, because this video is so important, I want to be happy with the choreography before the day of the shoot. So yeah, that's it. And we are practicing the choreography now. I'm just going to go through the whole choreography and see if there are certain steps I need to change, or I need to improve, or need to do it properly. So I'm just going to do that and keep practicing it. So let's move on to the practicing. Let's go. So on the same day that I got my dress, we got to know about this spot through Instagram, and after asking that person, we got to know that this spot is in a certain location. So we decided that let's go to that location and find out that spot. So on 22nd October, we got up early and went to that location. Let's go, Akshay!
To search for a particular location which we have seen, and I think that this is the location. So fingers crossed, and if we get all the locations in just one place, it will be really great, so that we can just shoot the whole thing in one day. So fingers crossed.
So this is the location?
I I think so.
and we found out that spot luckily, like after बहुत search करने के बाद we got to know कि ये spot वहाँ पे ही है, and along with that we found more 2-3 locations which were different, and we were very happy with that location. So yeah, this is how we found out this beautiful location.
How?
Not even run.
What do you think about this location?
It's not that bad. Only we will have to work out with these plants.
We can't kill them.
We can't. We are not planning to kill them, but a place where there is less, less
Understood.
है.
So can you go and stand there in the middle somewhere?
ते ग्रास खूप मोठे आहेत रे अक्षय.
करायचं आहे ना व्हिडिओ?
व्हिडिओ करायचा आहे पण
मग?
मी इथे नाचणार आहे मी.
जरा जा ना मध्ये 2 मिनिटं.
अरे इथे काय पाय वाटत नाहीये.
2 मिनिटं फक्त मध्ये जा.
अरे पाय-
अशी जा तन्वी, हे बघ अशी आणि अशी जा. हा अशी, हा आता जा.
बस थांब तिथेच. हा इकडे बघ.
So guys, this is the first location that we have finalized. So yeah, this is the location. It also has purple flowers. See, oh my god, it's so cute. I don't know if they are flowers or a plant or whatever it is called. So yeah, and we have 2-3 locations in mind. So when we were coming here, we saw 2-3 locations. So we will check them out now. So stay tuned for that, and let's go to those locations. Let's go. So this is another location we are trying to finalize. It has like rocks and water. Let's see, we are just confused about if I'll be able to dance on this surface. So let's see. खाली बघ.
Okay, this is the background.
हे नाही चांगलं दिसणार.
So thing is, sun इकडून असणार आहे.
हे नाही चांगलं दिसणार.
What about this one? This is looking good actually. चल. थांब, माझा जाऊ दे पुढे. थांब.
नाही, नाही, हे नाही जाईल.
अरे माझा हात घेऊन काय करणार आहेस तू? झालं का?
So we finalized 2 locations here. The one which was on the top and the another rock one. So we have finalized those, and we are also thinking about a third location, but that location is not going to be here. It will be some other place. So we might have to do a 2-day shoot. That's going to be tiring, but it will give us a good video. And also I have to figure out what I can wear on my feet while dancing, or should I just wear it, or just not wear anything, and because it will look good if I don't wear anything, but the surfaces are a little harsh, so we are thinking about it. But for now we have finalized these 2 locations and we are very happy with them. Are you happy, Akshay, about these locations?
Yes.
Yay, finally.
So now everything was planned, everything was going smooth, every person that we coordinated was ready, my choreography was ready, everything was literally packed, and then this happened. So this is the day before the shoot. Tomorrow is my universe dance video shoot. I'm very excited. Everything is packed. Bags are packed. Everything is sorted out. Costume, makeup, hairstyle, everything. The only thing right now giving us a little stress is my health. I got my periods yesterday, so today is my second day. So I wasn't able to like practice fully because my body was in pain and I was annoyed. First 2 days are very annoying to me, and fortunately tomorrow is the third day, so I'm happy about that. But along with that, I got cold today morning, and my my cold goes to extreme level. So I got up sneezing a lot. I was feeling weak, so I went to the doctors. They told me that it's just cold, so that is kind of good. And I told them about I have a shoot tomorrow, so they were like, okay, you need to recover fast because you won't be able to do all those things with this cold. So they gave me an injection on my bum, so I recover fast. And they also gave me some medication, so I'm taking that. I'm feeling a little better now, and I hope I feel much better tomorrow because I have to get up at 3 in the morning, get ready. We have to travel to the location for 2 hours. Then we have to walk and all to go to different location, and along with that I have to dance at a lot of locations. So I need a lot of energy. So I hope I feel much better tomorrow. So I dealt with all these issues, and the next day was the shoot day. A lot of funny and exciting things happened. So let's go watch it. Good morning. So this is the day of the shoot, and it is 3:40 p.m. Yeah, a.m. 3:40 a.m. So I got up at 3, did my bath, had a steam as well to make my nose and throat feel better. And this is the corner. Everything is laid out here. So I just have to wear all those things and carry the things. So that's why we have laid it out there. ऐसे एकदम. And we will start getting ready now. But before that, we will have chai, because chai is very important to freshen myself up. My throat and nose will also feel better after having chai. Chai time is my favorite time. So we'll have chai fatafat, and then we'll start getting ready. So let's go. I'm ready. The whole outfit and the look and everything is ready. I'll show it to you guys at the location. Now we are leaving. We are thoda sa late, so we are leaving. So we are waiting for a friend of us, and he is very late. We called him like 20 times, right, Akshay? And he picked it up like after 15-20 minutes. Luckily, we thought we started planning कि अगर वो नहीं रहेगा तो कैसे shoot करने वाले हैं. So luckily he picked up the call. Now we are waiting for him. Let's hope he shows up soon. Let's hope. Finally he is here.
मैं 520 पे उठा, मैं बैटरी चेंज किया वापस.
Hi Niranjan.
Hi bro.
You are on time, you know.
I know bro.
Like proper.
Sorry bro.
It's okay.
कितना मिनट लेट हुआ?
Now let's go. गणपति बाप्पा. मोरिया. कोई बोलच नाही है. Hello, excuse me.
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया.
मोरिया bro.
So we are going to the first location now. This is the route to that location. Rutuja. Hi. Niranjan. So we are at the location now. Akshay. This is the first location, and this is the surface I have to dance on. We were just trying to see if I will be able to do it. Yes, I can, I think. Let's see. Once we start the shoot, we will understand that. So let's start the shoot.
ठीक है होईल
डोंट वरी.
तेरा 50% हो गया ना इधर, तो मेरे को बता, फिर अपन ड्रोन का लेते हैं, फिर वापस कंटिन्यू कर.
चलेगा चल. बस ऊपर जा रहा है, गिरेगा अभी। बस बंद कर, मीडिया बंद कर।
बाय, लेके आएंगे ब्रो।
So they are scared there is something. And they're trying to check out कि क्या है वहाँ पे.
ब्रो
Akshay, now you're hiding behind Niranjan.
बैग में देख,
हाँ please.
बैग नहीं देता है। बोला आराम से उठा था, ओपन था। बैग किधर?
तूने देखा था? Check the bag ना.
लास्ट बैग बचा है।
Tan, tadan, 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 tadan.
हो गया ना? अभी इधर आ गया तो
I made check करो बैग चेक करो.
हाँ,
अंदर तो नहीं।
मेरे को पहले लगा स्पीकर पड़ा है बे, स्पीकर का आवाज आ रहा है। जैसे इसके हाथ में
आवाज आ रहा
स्पीकर
था?
देखा ना मैंने, और बंद है। मेरी फटके चार हो गए।
कैसा आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ,
कैसा?
सांस लेने जैसा आवाज ब्रो।
मला वाटलं नाही कोण काय माणूस वगैरे आहे का.
इतना इंसान, इतना मारूंगा ना उसको।
नहीं निकलेगा।
नहीं ना, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
ठीक है।
Done with the shoot
हाँ ना?
on the first location, and these guys are still discussing about the sound that they heard.
It was a snake.
No, now you
Vlog
said
के लिए
someone
snake ही
was
रखो ना अभी।
breathing. Okay, vlog के लिए snake ही है, ठीक है. So we are done with the first shoot. How are you guys feeling, Niranjan?
क्या एनर्जी है वैसी।
Now we are going to the next location. So guys, we did check out the second location that we planned, but it's not looking that good, so we have decided that we'll take a break now, and then we will go on to the third location in the evening. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Now we are taking a break. Everyone is here, and we are waiting for food desperately. Everyone is hungry, and then in the evening we are planning to go to another location and shoot the last part for the day. So, now we are waiting for food. Are you hungry? Yes. So we just got done with food. Everything. Everyone is sleepy now. But we have one more shoot to do, which we are going to do in the evening. We have more like 2 hours to get ready, so I'm just going to do some touch up and get ready, and then we are going to do the last shoot of the day. I'm also sleepy. So we just got done with the touch up and my hair. Rutuja helped me a lot today, and I hope she enjoyed the shoot. So now we will leave for the next location after some time. We are feeling very sleepy and very tired, but we are pushing through so that we will get a very good video. This is the location. It's so pretty. That's Rituja. So yeah, we will start shooting soon. The thing is that बहुत धूप है. That the whole floor is very hot. This is where I'm going to dance. So we are just waiting for the sun to go down a little bit. So थोड़ा cool down हो जाए सब. As soon as that happens, we will start the shooting. होणार गरम, थंड होणार. जरा थांब.
थोड़ा सा सह लो।
We could have done the rap shoot there, cause the chappal wouldn't have been visible.
नहीं रे, इथे स्लाइड ची बिनर आहे ना, इथे नाही बिनर.
Okay. It's very hot. You can check out. चप्पल काढून.
You want us to पाणी टाकू का त्याच्यावर?
मी पाणी टाकून पाय ठेवला, माझा खालचा पाय सुकला. टाकून बघ पाणी.
पाणी ह्याच्यावर टाकून बघितलं तर
बघ ना.
तुम्हाला ते चांगलं लागेल.
सांग ना कोणाला तरी.
निरंजन
निरंजनला सांगतोय.
What do you want, bro?
पाणी इसकडे आलं नाही.
पाणी इकडे आणला.
एक कप आहे तिथे कप.
पाणी किती आणलास कप?
It's very hot to dance on.
अरे बापरे.
नाही, नाही, water.
अरे बाप रे, करके दिखा ना आज. फिर बता मुझे. अरे बाप रे.
अबे बॉटल है ना, हाँ, किसी और चीज के लिए यूज किया बॉटल.
नाही,
सुसु करने के लिए.
ती आहे.
हाँ येलो फ्रूटी इसलिए लिया इसने.
ती आहे.
पकड़ भी आंट को.
So those guys are trying to make his floor thanda, but I'm very sure that it's not going to happen.
ठंडा ठंडा कूल.
इथे
ब्रो बाप है ब्रो लोकेशन बट
बहुत गरम.
बहुत मस्त है.
तू डान्स कुठे एवढा ह्याच्यात करणार
हा बॉक्स हा. It's not going to help me, but what if I slip and fall?
हाँ मेरे को वही डर लग रहा है यार.
नहीं रे बाबा, इसमें स्लिप नहीं होगा.
उसको चाहिए ना.
हाँ व्यूज नहीं लगेगा. व्यूज नहीं लगेगा. नहीं नहीं आता लगेच ना, थांब थोडं.
What do you think gonna happen?
According to my science, this should work.
Your science.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, ready?
So guys, we are on the last location for the shoot. So let's go get done with this shoot. This is what he is doing here. He's trying to remove that thermocol thing from the water so that it doesn't come in our shot. So yeah, क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है शूट में. Guys, we are done with the shoot. This was the last location. It is beautiful, I know. And luckily we got this when we were going for the shoot on another location. And we are done with the video, guys. Please look here in my vlog. Yeah, we are done with the video. Thank you everyone who came for this shoot.
Yes.
Niranjan, Rutuja and Akshay, who is not in the screen right now. So yeah, I hope you guys have watched the video already and you liked it. And yeah, that's the vlog. I'm very tired. Bye bye. Thank you.